Hi guys, so my sister, she is overseas and I said that a couple of times before, but anyway. And so this vlog is not really about me, my adventure. It's basically about my sister's adventure in Canada. Uh, yeah, I think that's what it's about, my sister's adventure in Canada. So you guys will see that even though you see my intro, you'll see another intro. And if you've been watching some of my vlogs before, you will realize that whenever my sister does her takeover, there's a cartoon looking comic animation cover or opening. So in this vlog you'll see all that, and I guys hope you guys really enjoy my sister vlog where she try and take over Canada. That's where she is at right now. The next thing, the sky here in Jamaica is very cloudy and we've been having rainy weather, so you guys will see me in lots of rainy weather outfits at certain time because I'm wearing this hoodie now just in case the rain falls. Yeah, so basically, and that's what's been happening. So hope you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, but remember, watch the video, like and subscribe. You can also hit that notification bell to get more updates on all the videos, well, vlog videos that are coming up, so you can keep watching my video. And if you like this, please subscribe. If you don't like it, still subscribe, because you know I'm trying to get that come up. Yeah, so watch the video, and hope you guys enjoy the adventures that I'll be doing and the rest of the adventures of my life. Yeah, so thanks for watching. So hi guys, today my sister we going to Canada. So begging God bless you, carry her safe and sound, so she can have a nice time. We're praying for her.
Heavenly Father Jesus, drive safely with Mark in this car. Sorry for left for Cheryl, but she was there and gone now. Father Jesus, carry Roxie and still.
Hi sis. Do not. Hello.
You think you're
Are you here?
Hello.
I say hello, so.
You like it?
Yes, that's
you can't take the bump in the time I want to drop out of the sky. Jesus.
You know I'm talking about the sky.
Like,
Talking about playing now, we're here at the airport. We are here.
See, that's what I'm coming. Of course. What's it? Where you be just like so far?
At the airport.
Okay. Nobody's perfect.
You say a year, a millions of time I come here and the first I come here, yeah, so.
That's how we go.
First I go in there, so.
The Caribbean airline.
Yeah, so.
Yeah. And we're at Caribbean airline.
Go on, baby. Oh, me.
Looking for our documents, we're in the airport. So Roxie going in now. See Roxie going to the departure party. So everyone on YouTube, I'm on a train now, leaving from the airport, and I'll keep you updated later. So this is what snow looks like on the ground. This is what snow is like, everybody. Then this is me. This is me here. I'm all covered up in my winter hats and everything. So you guys see what snow looks like on the ground. Lots and lots of it. Well, not a lot of things. And what people think, it's actually not really that cold as I thought it would be. Let me show you. It's a little bit freezing. Put me in the video. So I hope you guys can see the waterfall behind me. Oh, my ears are freezing now. And it's so pretty, and everything is so pretty and white. I love white Christmas. You see me in the snow. My. You can stop.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, it started to snow very heavily now. Look. And it's starting to snow very heavily.
garages. Yep.
Hello everybody in Jamaica. I'm actually in the snow and it's so pretty. It's white. Look. I can't like make a snowman yet, but it is so pretty. Look at that.
Yep.
I'm making a snowball. Did it work? I really don't know how to make
This
it.
isn't packing snow, so you can't make a snowball, but that's how you do it. If it's packing snow, it stick together.
What's packing snow?
It's like wet and it sticks together.
Okay.
Wood.
Hello, I'm a Collingwood. And I'm walking. There's a like a lake thing. Shoulder lake thing. And then there's a art. So there's lots of artwork in Collingwood. And then there's a river. Oh, and the plus about Canadian streets, there's no garbage. We wonder where the garbage went. The churchyard and it's a whole lot of snow. Turn over. So it's a lot of snow in the churchyard. Making it in the backdrop. Excuse us, sorry. That's alright, you're not gonna. That's a lot of snow. Sorry, come on.
Sunday, everyone. You like my Empress look? Yeah. Going to church this Sunday with my mother, and you can tell Roxanne isn't here. She's in Canada, and so I want to give God thanks for blessing her. She reached there on her safe trip and safe journey. So we're off to church, and this is Sunday, as I said before. Yeah. But do you love my look? Yes. This is me and mommy, and we're about to walk to church, and we want to tell everybody happy Sunday, wish you guys luck and all of that. So here we go to church. You get to see a bit of us at church. So we're going to the church, but the church road looks very, very empty. So I guess when mom went to church last week, and she forgot that church is not keeping. So we're gonna go look for a church. So mommy was wrong, and yes, the church is keeping. It just looked extremely empty today. And the church that we're going is the Upper Little Church of Jamaica. Yes.
Who is who? The counselor, the treasurers, all the officers were bowing down and worshiping this golden image. Even if you're just one insignificant individual.
It was beautiful. The words of God was powerful. I love it. And I thank God to be here.
Yes. Yeah. Say hi. Hi. I'm my cousin Suri. And my cousin Tanya and
Christian people.
yes, and the Christian people. So this is church, and it was really fun.
And church was beautiful. Eviana
Road.
and she there, I see her walk on her own church. So
Mommy talking to Auntie Angela. That's my mommy in the background.
Ladies,
That one we're finding all over the church. Where is she?
come quickly, ladies.
Well, I can't really see her. Yes, see her.
Get your dinner tickets, young people. It's just
The church was really okay. I enjoyed. I'm glad I came. And the word of prayer is really
yeah, man,
needed.
I'm buy a ticket with somebody.
Yes, the word of prayer was
Let's come
really
and
needed.
have a good time on.
Cousin Tanya. But anyway, same thing. And she came to church today. Cousin Auntie, the same thing. Anyway, so we are off. So we're going home now. And we're going home. It was really fun. God is good. Protect Roxanne for me. Amen. Walking home.
Oh my God!
walking out from there.